My name is Gwen Jorgensen, and I am a professional runner. Oh, I love competing. I love riding that edge and finding out how much more can I get out of myself. I started triathlon in 2010. It was a brand new sport. I qualified in 2011. Then I won gold 4 years later in Brazil. I was running 40 miles a week in triathlon, and now I'm trying to get up to 120 in marathon. Normally I wake up in the morning, have a good hearty breakfast. I have a bowl of oatmeal, and then I put 1 or 2 poached eggs on top. I need to eat a lot to fuel me through workouts. I need to make sure that I'm fueling my body. A lot of that comes from whole foods that keep me full and going throughout the day. I like to eat organic. There's no pesticides used, no antibiotics that could be passed from the hen to the egg to me when I'm eating it. I really believe that eggs are a healthy thing to eat, especially as an athlete. By eating eggs, I've been able to perform better, and it's something that my body really responds well to.